Hey everyone, today we'll talk about how to install Java on our system, and it's a very simple process. Before we install Java, let's just open command prompt and see if you have Java installed or not. Press Command R and type cmd and open the command prompt. Now run the command java hyphen version and press enter. Now we can see this output. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. It clearly suggests that we don't have Java installed on our machine. Alright, so our next step is to install Java. However, if you get a fatal error or if you see the Java version, then it means you already have Java installed. However, you are welcome to continue watching this video as I'll be covering some finer points that are usually not clear to most people. Now, Java is available in different distributions, or we can say flavors. The two flavors of Java are Oracle Java and OpenJDK. So, Oracle Java, it is often referred as normal Java, and the second is OpenJDK, and we need to install either of them. So, Oracle Java or Java Standard Edition SE is developed and maintained by Oracle Corporation. It was historically available for free for personal and development use, but since January 2019, it requires a paid subscription for commercial use. Now, let's move on to OpenJDK. OpenJDK stands for Open Java Development Kit. Yes, it's the open source implementation of the Java Platform Standard Edition. The OpenJDK community, which includes major companies like Oracle, Red Hat, and IBM, maintains it. It contains all the core features of the Java Standard Edition specification, making it essentially identical to Oracle Java in terms of core functionality. So, to summarize, Oracle Java offers commercial features and support but requires a subscription for business use, while OpenJDK is a fully open source and free with community and third-party support. For most developers, OpenJDK is a great choice, especially for open source projects and development. Enterprises that need the additional features and support might opt for Oracle Java. So you can either install Oracle Java, also called JDK from the Oracle website, or you can go with OpenJDK. Either of them will work just fine. Let's switch back to Windows. Alright. Also, we should be very comfortable with installing Java in both Windows and Mac operating system. In one company, you might be working on a Windows machine, but maybe in your next company, you might be working on Mac OS. For that, we'll cover installing Java in both Windows and Mac. This video is about installing Java in Windows, and in my next video, we'll be covering Mac. So, we will go with Oracle Java. To install Oracle Java, we'll open Google and install and search for Java JDK download. Okay. So you will see this oracle.com website, which is the official website for Java. From here, you can download the long-term support version. Let me open it. And as we can see, we want to download the long-term support version, which is JDK 21. Of course, there is Java 22 also. At the time of this particular recording, you can see JDK 21 is the latest long-term support. In your case, it might be totally different. You want to go with long-term support, whatever is the version. Now, since I'm on Windows, I will select the Windows tab. I'll scroll down a little. This is the Windows tab, okay, which is the long-term support version, and we can select any of these three options. Inside Windows, see, I'm getting these three options. I'll go with any of these options, say MSI 64-bit installer. Let me download it. Now, depending upon your internet speed, it will take some time to download, okay. Yeah, so it has already downloaded. So what I'll do is I'll simply open this file, and like how we install any software, we will install Java by simply clicking on the next button. Let me open it. Here's my downloads folder. This is my, okay, looks like I installed JDK 22. What I need to do is select the JDK one, and now I should click on Windows and click on this MSI installer. So selecting the LSE version is extremely important, long-term support version. Alright, so we can see it is installed. Downloaded, sorry. JDK 21. Okay, what I have to do is, it is simply the installation wizard, click on the next button. Now it is asking for the default installation folder, which is C program files Java. Okay, I click on this next button again. So it has started installing Java. Click on the yes button. We'll have to wait for some time. So installing Java is a fairly simple process. Okay, it has installed successfully. I can see it is Java Development Kit 21.0.3. Let me close it. Perfect. Finally, we see that Java is installed successfully. But by default, our system does not have information as to where Java is installed. So we'll have to tell our system, which is Windows, about the Java location using the system paths. So this is the next step we'll perform after installing Java. Now, when you install Java on your Windows computer, you need to add its path to the system environment variables. But why is this necessary? Well, there are several reasons. I'll read them for you. The first thing, easy access to Java commands. Adding the Java path allows you to run Java commands like Java and Java C from any command prompt window without navigating to the Java installation directory. This makes development and running Java applications much more convenient. Second, system-wide availability. By setting the Java path in the system environment variables, Java becomes accessible to all users and applications on your computer. This is crucial in environments where multiple users or processes need to use Java. Third, integration with development tools. Now, many IDEs and build tools require access to Java. By setting the Java path, these tools can automatically detect and use Java without additional configuration. Now, let's go to the Java installation folder. We'll go to C drive, program files. Okay, let me select C, program files. All right, so this is my Java folder. Okay, now we can install multiple versions of Java in this particular folder, and they all will be visible here. So I can see at this particular moment, I just have JDK 21 installed. Okay, now we'll open this particular folder. So we can see this is the path of my Java installation. Copy this particular path. I'll right click, do copy. Now we'll open system environment variables. For this, I'll simply type environment. I click on this edit the system environment variables. Okay. Here, I'll select this environment variables button. Now we can see there are two types of variables. One is user variables and then we have system variables. So user variables are specific to the user account currently logged in. They are useful for storing settings that not only apply to that particular user and changes made here won't affect other user accounts. And system variables. System variables are accessible by all users on the computer, and that's where we'll add our path of Java JDK folder. So if you want Java to be accessible by all users on the system, you should set the path in system variables. Now we'll click on the new button inside system variables. Provide the variable name as Java_home. I'll right click, I'll simply do paste. So in the variable value, we have pasted the path of the Java. Now we simply click on the OK button. So we have just set the Java_home variable, which points to the root of your Java installation. Now we'll go back to the program files again, okay, and we'll go to the bin directory. So can we see we have this bin folder, okay. So this bin directory contains the executable files for Java such as Java, Java C and Java WS, etc. We'll copy this path as well and add it to the already present path variables. What I'll do is I'll simply click here, copy this particular path, right click, copy. I'll again go to my environment variables. I'll look for this path variable, this one, and click on the edit button. Now, either you can provide the complete path, which is C program files, Java JDK 21 and bin, or you can use %Java home % as Java home. In my case, what I'll do is I'll simply click on the new button. I'll simply do paste. Okay. So instead of hard coding the path here, I can also do like this. %Java_home % and backslash. I already have a backslash. Let me remove it. Now I'll click on the OK button. Perfect. Now our system knows where Java is present, and any IDE like Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA should be able to locate Java with ease. Now, you may have multiple Java versions installed on your computer, and if you want to go with a specific version, you can change that in the system variable, which is Java_home. Now, open command prompt again, and now we'll type Java-version. Okay, so we can see Java is not recognized. So what I'll do is I'll simply close this terminal. I'll reopen it again. CMD. I'll do Java -version. See, now it is taking some time. Perfect. Now my system has detected my Java version, which is 21.0.3. Okay, it means we can say that the Java is now set up perfectly in my system environment variables. And that's it. Hope you have liked this particular video. Please like it if you have found it valuable and consider subscribing for more technical content. And feel free to add in comments if you have a specific question and I'll be happy to answer. Have a good day.